Okay, let's talk about the spelling of the verbs when we use the past simple. Now, many verbs, we add ed. Example, work, past tense, we say worked. Start, we say started. Want, we say wanted. So many verbs, we add ed. Now also, many verbs, we only add a d because the verb already, the last letter is e. So, example, love. Love, what is the last letter? It's an e. So we only add d, loved. Hate. Hate finishes with an e. So we only add a d, hated. And the same thing for live. We say lived. Now, a little bit more difficult, so please listen carefully. Many verbs in English are very short, and they only have one syllable. So what is a syllable? Relax, I'll explain. But first, please understand there are two kinds of letters in English. Letters, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, the first kind is called a consonant. Consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G, like you see in the video. Vowel letters, vowels, there are only 5 vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. Now, why am I talking about this? Because vowel letters sometimes make a sound. Vowel letters sometimes make a sound in a word. Let's look at the example, live. How many vowels do you see in live? I see 2 vowels, I and E. Now, do they both make a sound? How many vowels make a sound in live? Only one. The I makes an I sound, I. The E doesn't make any sound. So, remember that word syllable? A syllable means how many vowel sounds in a word. So the word live has 2 vowels, but like we talked about, only one vowel sound. So the word live has 1 syllable, live. Now, why am I talking about this? Because we have a special spelling rule. 1 syllable verbs. If the last letter is a consonant and the second last letter is a vowel, we double, 2 times, we double the consonant and then write ed. Okay, let's look at some examples. Stop. Okay, how many syllables? Stop. Stop. 1 syllable. Okay. What is the last letter? Is the last letter a consonant? P. P is a consonant. And then the letter before P, O. O is a vowel. So the past simple form, we write P 2 times. Stopped. Okay, ed. Another example. Plan. Okay, plan. How many syllables? 1 syllable. Last letter is a consonant. Second last letter is a vowel. So we double the consonant. N-N-E-D. Planned. Hug. Hug is also like this. So hugged. Okay. Now we have another spelling rule. Some verbs in English, the last letter is a Y. Example, study, carry, cry, marry, try, and worry. Okay? Now please be careful. The spelling rule here is consonant Y. Consonant Y. Look at the example, play. This is not consonant Y. A is a vowel. So we have to be careful. Only the verbs consonant Y. We change Y to I, E, D. As you see there in the video, studied, carried, cried, married, tried, and worried. Now, the last spelling rule you have to think about with past simple. Many verbs in English are irregular. This means we don't have rules. You must learn them. You can check the irregular verb list on the Smrt sites, but you must study these because we do not have rules for the spelling. Okay? So, in this video, we've talked about the different spelling rules of the past simple. If you'd like to practice this more, please click the link in the video.